Hello, so today we are going to ride around the city.
Okay, don't worry. It's not haze. It's just mosquito fog. Okay, we are through the fog now. So, back to the topic. So, I have been cycling here in Singapore like 6 months now. Every day I take the cycle to the MRT and I come on cycle on the way back home. So, compared to Sri Lanka, I can say here cycling is quite safe. So, here are some tips I have picked up and following to stay safe on the road while cycling around the city.
Okay, now we are at the Siklat Park.
Here there are park connector roads. So those are allocated only for cycling and running.
If park connectors are not available, and the next option is the pavement.
Always look out for pedestrians, other cyclists and PMDs. Ride in orderly manner and do not disturb others. Don't ring the bell unnecessarily because that's considered rude. At the crossings, always follow the traffic lights. It is a must. Very rarely someone may ignore the traffic lights, but don't get tempted. We should dismount and push at the pedestrian crossings, overhead bridges, underpasses, and crowded areas, especially bus stops. If you're cycling on main roads with other vehicles, you must wear a helmet. That's the actually one day I got stopped by police and the lady politely said that sir, you need a helmet to ride down the road. Till then, please cycle on the pavement. Let's cross the road here. Here there are traffic lights at this crossing. But one thing I have noticed is that if you stand next to a crossing and if there is no traffic light, any vehicle will stop and let you cross. It doesn't matter if it is a bus or bike, they will stop and let you cross. You don't have to show that you are trying to cross. So if you are checking the map or taking a call, don't do it standing next to the crossing. Now we are going through Bedok Mall. Normally it is crowded as there is bus interchange as well as MRT station here. Anyway, today is Saturday and it's kind of early. Now we are passing a sculpture by Korean artist Kim Hoon Min. This has been named as Shopping with the Family. Okay, now we are at the Bedok Yoga Center. So I'll have some breakfast. If you like cycling here in Singapore, you can easily buy one from any main supermarket chains or sports item chains. Or otherwise, you can always get it on from Carousel. When it comes to repairs, there are uncles doing repair shops near HDB areas. So many people now use these scooters, especially food delivery guys. So better watch out to avoid any accident. Anyway, now we're closing to my favorite part of the track. Actually, it's a cycle track and it's downhill. SMR.
Here it is allowed to take your bicycles and other PMDs on public transport at any time. Of course, it has to be within the allowed size limitations. So actually allowed size is that 120 centimeters by 70 centimeter by 40 centimeters. I'm using a 20-inch foldable bicycle, so it is well within the allowed range. Anyway, enough of riding for today. So I'll park my bicycle here at WSMRT, and yeah, see you in the next video.